Hey guys, here are 3 different kinds of cheddar cheese. This right here is a recipe that I've had on my blog for a long time now. It's my own macaroni and cheese recipe, and I don't feel like having any macaroni. Cats go crazy for this too, because it's so full of nutritional yeast. It's great with apples. This is still out of the mold. It's a meltable cheddar, and it's not quite as orange because I ran out of cheese coloring. I'll have to get some more. I already know this tastes really good, so I'm not going to cut into it. It's still very soft. It needs to go back in the fridge for a little while, but I wanted to get it out of the mold. This was an experiment. I'm not going to say the name of the person who developed the recipe, but kind of sucks. It was a disappointment. I've got to go back to the drawing board. The flavor is very flat, and the texture just isn't quite there yet. I did make a sandwich out of it, cheese and tomato sandwich, which, you know, it's okay in a sandwich. I mean, I'll be able to eat it. But texture's close to a cheddar, but it's still too crumbly. And like I said, the flavor is very flat. I've learned my lesson copying recipes off of this person's channel. Maybe they were good once, but they've just I think they've fallen prey to that oh, I'm gonna get married and buy a new home and quit my job and do YouTube full time, and then they become a content farm and their recipes are no good. Tried another one of his recipes, they're no good. Don't ever put molasses, any amount of molasses, in your faux meat unless you want to eat something that tastes like savory gingerbread. If you want to put irony flavor in it, get a can of you know, spinach. I hated that when I was a kid because it tasted so metallic. I bet it would be a great way to get iron into your burger. Anyway, I'm not going to say his name. But yeah, he's got one more chance, and then I'm not gonna mess with any of his stuff anymore. Anyway, the recipes will be on my blog. The recipe for this has already been on my blog for a long time, and links to yesterday's video, the playlist, and as I said, the recipes. Thanks for watching. I still have a few things I want to do. I did want to try to show you how to cook this, because it's kind of an interesting process, but I still have mozzarella to do, so I'm really going to try to show you guys how the cooking of the cheese when you add the carrageenan or the agar and the tapioca, how it progresses. And I'm still going to be working on sliceable cheese too. But I mean, after this I'm going to take a little break from cheese, but I'm not going to say goodbye to it totally, because there's still tons of cheese. Tons of cheese to experiment with. I have a whole bunch of really great Monterey Jack recipes that I haven't even touched on. So anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.